Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Toyota Corolla SE. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Come around to the back here. Got our trunk. And rear seats. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 25,952. And we have a turnkey ignition. Toyota radio, as well as navigation system, shifter, backup camera, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.